Why do different musical instruments have characteristic sounds? Musical sounds are made up of a combination of partial tones. As we shall see in this lesson, the presence and intensity of these partial tones vary from one instrument to another. The loudness of sound is something immediately recognized by a listener. It is a physical sensation perceived by the ear that is related to the intensity of the sound wave. Intensity is a measure of the energy transported by the sound wave per unit time, per unit area. The units of intensity are watts per square meters. A sound that is perceived to be twice as loud as another sound has a sound wave with 10 times the intensity of the other. For this reason, sound intensity levels are specified with a logarithmic scale. The unit of this scale is the decibel, which is equivalent to 10 bells. How much more intense do you think a 40 decibel sound is than a 20 decibel sound? Correct. The intensity increases by a factor of 10 for every level increase of 1 decibel. Therefore, a 20 decibel increase corresponds to an intensity increase of 100. The human ear is remarkable in being able to detect a very wide range of sound intensity levels. Sound waves from two different sources interfere with each other. If the sounds are very close in frequency, the volume of the combined sound at a particular position varies in a periodic fashion. This phenomenon is known as beats. The pitch of a sound is determined by its wave frequency. The higher the frequency of a sound wave, the higher its pitch. Conversely, a sound wave with a lower frequency has a lower pitch. A musician changes the pitch of a stringed instrument by changing the length of a string. The pitch of a wind instrument is changed by altering the length of the air column. A musical sound is usually composed of several partial tones. The quality or timbre of a sound is determined by the number and relative intensities of these partial tones. The lowest frequency of a musical sound, known as the fundamental frequency, determines the pitch of the sound. Partial tones having frequencies that are integer factors of the fundamental frequency are known as harmonics. The characteristic sounds produced by different instruments are the result of their different timbre.